So you want to invest, but you have no money. You might be paper broke, but you rich in spirit. Today I'm going to drop some gems on investing with no money. And I know it sounds like I'm clickbaiting and trying to scam you, but just hold on. Listen, keep it locked. It's Crystal with the Cash Compass. If you are new, nice to meet you. If you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, you gotta subscribe and you gotta hit like. I drop gems on everything personal finance related, so definitely make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and hit like, because I already know. I'm confident like that. I know you're gonna enjoy yourself. So let's get straight into it. All right, so we broke, baby.
Oh, I'm broke, baby. I ain't got no money. Boo.
We can't really make these big investments and have these beautiful multi-family units and big businesses, right? But we got to start somewhere. And I'm gonna get this out of the way because I'm pretty sure in every single how to invest video they touch on this, but investing in yourself is the biggest thing that you can do and you should do at $0 or $1 million. There's plenty of options to invest in yourself for the free online. We're blessed, you know what I'm saying? Because we live in the internet ages. We can get anything online. I mean, I learned how to do pretty much everything YouTube related online for free, honey. There's options out here. You don't always have to pay. So you have to find something you're passionate about. I don't believe in get rich quick, and I don't believe in just being in something just for the money. You have to have some sort of passion because it's going to feel like a job and it's going to feel like hell. I've been there before, so trust me. If you haven't found it yet, don't worry. You can put your hands in different pots until you figure that out. Make sure you exhaust all your free resources. And obviously you need to figure out what it is that you want to invest in, right? So if you're somebody who wants to invest in stocks, but you don't have all the capital yet to start making those purchases, get educated. I just spoke about this actually in my 401k video, which if you haven't watched it, you can go watch it after this video, or you can watch it right now. The choice is yours. But you don't want to invest in anything that you're not even knowledgeable of. So if it's stocks, if it's real estate, if it's precious metals, if it's your own business, be a guru in that field. Be very well educated. Exhaust all your free resources, which will be Google, YouTube, the library. I know we haven't been to the library in a while. It still exists though. I think I saw one the other day. But take advantage of this information age that we live in and educate yourself so that when you do have the money, you can just get straight into it. Definitely make sure you network. And I know that's like a buzzword, we throw that word around a lot, but you'll be surprised at what you'll find if you network and take the time to get yourself familiarized with people in that field that you're trying to get into. So for example, with real estate, there's plenty of free meetups and you can bounce ideas off of people. A lot of times they'll be willing to help you and kind of show you the ropes for free. That kind of exposure is priceless and it costs you no money. Maybe donate your time instead of donating the funds. If you don't have the money yet, you'll have to give what you do have, which is your time. So if it's somebody that maybe you want to learn from, if you found someone who's investing in something that you want to invest in, offer your time, pro bono. That means free. But you could just reach out to somebody. I've actually done that before where I've reached out to someone and said, hey, I really want to get more information on this field. Would you mind if I worked for you and maybe did something for you and I'm not even charging any money? And the response is, of course. I mean, who doesn't want free help? And then what's great is if you pick the right person, you're going to get exposure that is going to be worthwhile. So once you have all of the education and you've exhausted your resources and you've networked and you've tried to find a way in the field for the free, then you can think about finding ways to earn money. So having multiple streams of income is another buzz phrase, but it's so important. Find a side hustle that you can get into that has low costs, maybe low barriers to entry, and you can make some decent money. There's plenty of videos on YouTube, so if you just search, side hustles or multiple streams of income, you'll find a lot. What I typically have seen is affiliate marketing, having blogs, a YouTube channel. Obviously at first you're not going to monetize, but if you're consistent, you can monetize that. There's plenty of services. You can do dog watching services. You can do babysitting. I know those are time consuming, but that's a good way to get your money up. And you have to be very strict with any extra money you do get because that will help fund whatever investments you are trying to make. So keep your expenses low. I have videos that will help manage your budget and things you probably haven't thought of. So go ahead and check those out too. Once you make more money, don't spend more money. Take that money and invest it back into yourself, back into your craft, back into your business. Let that money make you money. That's all for today. We are going to talk about investing with actual money, but I think even before you start throwing money into anything, it's so important to have these down as your foundation so that when you are building up your investment portfolio, it's based off of things that you're extremely knowledgeable about, that you've put sweat equity into, and that you're totally passionate about. If I've missed anything, definitely let me know in the comments below. Follow me on Instagram at The Cash Compass. I post inspirational and just random. If you have anything that you wanted to hear, maybe that didn't cover, also let me know in the comments below. And what are your thoughts about investing? Are you into it? Maybe it's not really your thing. You're much more of a, I'm gonna just get this secure income. Talk to me. I want to hear from you. As always, keep your money up.